Good afternoon, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, and this is your January 12th, 2016 midday market report. If you're not already a member, go ahead and give us a visit, www.thetradinganalyst.com. Join today and start receiving alerts and making money tomorrow. So we're going to check out a few charts here. First one I'm going to cover is the Apple 15-minute chart. We've got a nice ascending triangle here. Here's the top right around here at about 99. We broke out of that, and now we're retesting it. It seems like it wants to get a bounce from there. We'll see what happens. We've also got this uptrend line here that should be noted. And we'll see if it gets a bounce from there as well. We still have this gap that is not filled at the moment, so it may want to try to fill that before bouncing further up. But Apple definitely looks good for higher. We'll see what it decides to do from here. So I'm going to check out the GoPro chart here really quick. All right, so GoPro, this is the 15-minute chart as well. So we've got this downtrend line right here, and then we broke below this support at about 1520. All right, looks like we're going to retest the lows from the other day at about 1465. We can use this 1520 level as a level of resistance to short against, and the downtrend line right there. We're going to look at the VIX. Just want to point out one thing really quick. Okay, so we've got, this is the hourly chart of the VIX. We broke below this uptrend line right here on the VIX. And right now it's trying to break back over it. But remember, this is the hourly chart. So it's got some time until this candle actually closes. So it could come up here, fill the gap from this morning at about 24, and then end up closing that candle back below the trend line. Okay, I'm going to look at the S&P 500. Give me 1 second here. Bear with me a moment. All right, so we're going to check out the S&P 500 here. So we did break over this downtrend line here. This is the hourly chart. We did that just yesterday. Could be forming a newer uptrend here. You can draw it from the lows of the candles that we've had from yesterday, late yesterday. Okay. Let's see here, and that is kind of a must-hold level for me down here, about 190, 190, 150 or so, right there, from the support from the lows of those candles right there. Okay. Take a look at Amazon really quick. Amazon, same kind of look. It broke over this downtrend line. We were in a bit of a channel here as well, and it broke out of that. You can also form a nice little uptrend line right there. We have a nice gap up here. It's holding strong as the S&P 500 is making new lows. Amazon is holding up well, so keep that in mind. Last but not least, I'm going to cover Netflix. Netflix kind of a little bit all over the place, but definitely looks stronger rather than not. It may want to fill the gap from this morning at about 115. Okay, so keep that in mind. Can't really draw a downtrend line right there. I'm going to look at the 15-minute chart, see if I can come up with anything better for you guys. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty choppy right now. I'm not really liking this pattern at the moment, but it is above the 116 resistance at this current moment. Okay, so we're right at it at the moment. So we'll see if it wants to fill that gap from this morning right there. Okay, but overall, not a huge fan of this pattern right here. Some patterns are easier than others, but we've definitely got that uptrend line here. I do like this uptrend line, and I do think that if we end up getting down to that level, it's about 113 at the moment, that we could see a bounce. All right, guys, that's it for the midday market report. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful. As always, you can give us a try, www.thetradinganalyst.com. You can start receiving alerts right away. Take advantage of our 7-day free trial offer. We'll see you over there.